beautiful. You should just be yourself.
Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also turn on your notification bells, all that good jazz. But from the title, as you guys can tell, we are going to do a full room makeover in the girls' room. So I'm just going to show you guys what we're working with right now. I already started taking some stuff out. So this is their beds. They had bunk beds, but then we ended up taking them out because they broke them. And then so yeah, this is just basically what we're working with. So I'm getting ready to move all of this stuff out of here so that I can vacuum. This is going to be like a full-on makeover. There is some things that's still on the way that hasn't made it yet, but we're going to do the best that we can. I'm going to take these out, and then I'm going to like wipe down their walls. We'll wash their walls because see, it's like dirty. So I just want it to be nice and clean. And then also I'm gonna vacuum in here so we can get started. Oh. Okay guys, so we are done with the carpets. I'm just gonna show you guys what it's looking like, what is giving, sis. I'm gonna open this window just so that it could air out rather quicker, so it could air out a little bit quicker. So right now, what are you doing?
Putting the bracket on for the dressing.
That's what's going on. I would not know how to do none of this. And then right there is the girls' beds. I'm sorry, y'all. It's a mess in here. But
we remodeling.
In the house, bored in the house, bored. Bored in the house, and I'm in the house, bored. This one?
Yes. Thank you.
Sure. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you guys what I got mommy in. Well, I kind of went shopping for him or whatever. So I really like this shirt. I think it will complement his skin tone and stuff like that. So I think this one's really, really cute. And then I got him this little Aeropostale shirt. I think that's really, really cute. And then I got him this California with like the salmon pink. What's it giving? Like, I feel like it's giving. What's it giving? But I got him this. I think it's really cute. And then this cute little Tommy Hilfiger shirt. Rate me, especially the guys that watch this channel, because I know I don't be showing a lot of guy content. But rate these and tell me in the comment section, would y'all wear it? Would y'all not? You know what I'm saying? Keep it trill with your girl. Let your girl know. But right now, babe is still in the living room, working on the dresser drawer, and then he's gonna get to the beds hopefully, because I'm just so anxious to see what this room is looking like. What's it gonna give? You know what I'm saying? Also, I'm gonna just try to find like wall art or pictures or something, you know, to spice it up a little bit, or maybe get like the little block letters to put their names on the wall. I think that would be cute. Yeah, so that's pretty much that. And then once I'm done with the girls' room, we're gonna do my room, which I'm super excited about next, to get this ghetto-ness off the wall. Y'all know this is if you an OG, you know that I use this to film my YouTube videos, but that's coming down, sis. Like, we're just getting it all together. Okay, so yeah, I'll check back in with you guys once we're making some type of progress, baby girl, because I feel like it's not enough progress going on. So I'll hit you guys back in a little bit. Okay guys, so this is as far as we've gotten. I'm having a little dilemma here because I want the girls' beds to be enough space apart, but see, we got these little nightstands, which will be, they both have one each. So I just want it to be enough room, but then the dilemma is this right here. So I'm wondering if we can get the beds probably to face this way, but then I don't know. It's just, I don't have the answers right now, but this is what we're doing this far. Trying to see how it's gonna look if we did it this way, but it's still looking like it's not very much space. If both of their beds go like this, you think that'll be okay? But then where are the dressers gonna go?
Probably gonna have to do it that way. If not, you're gonna have to have one right there and one on the side. I don't think you want that. So it may have to go this way. That or
Yeah, and then let me see the other one. But then it looks like it's me. So this is the progress so far. It's gonna end up getting the kids' TVs mounted on the wall, because I'm like, what's the worst they could do? Like, they're not gonna kick me out. So the worst that they can do is take my deposit, but it is what it is, because it's just not enough room in this room. You know what I'm saying? They need a little bit more space. But Bae's doing a really good job putting this together. It's coming together really, really good. And then he still has to do this bed, but I guess the beds is way easier, Bae said, than the little dressers. So even if I was to get a dresser, Bae, it wouldn't fit in here. Okay guys, so we're just gonna get back to you guys once we get the both of the beds up, and we'll figure out how we gonna place them. But I gotta go run and get these kids something to eat, so I'll be back.
1 week later.
Hey y'all, it's been like a week or two later since we started on the girls' room. I'm sorry y'all, I was eating Chipotle. We're still waiting for some things to come in for the room. We're waiting on their rug. Also, we had to get box springs for their beds because the beds was just too flat. So I'll show you guys that in a minute. But my boyfriend is currently at work, and I'm a Capricorn. So one thing about us, we are gonna be determined to do anything, you know. And I know it's gonna take him so long to get here, and he's gonna be doing all this and that, and I'm just not gonna be in the mood to be waiting around for him to do it, because I'm just the type of person that I just be handling the stuff that I need to handle. Like, I'm not gonna wait around for anyone to do things for me. I've always just been that type of person, unless it's something that I really just cannot do. But even with that, I will frustrate myself trying to figure it out. So we're gonna try to put these box springs together so we can put the kids' beds comforter, put the kids' comforters on their beds. In another vlog, the updated, like the finished version, because we still have to fix the LED lights that they had going around. Like, I put them up, but they keep falling down. There's just a lot going on, and I'm just like, this is just such a long process, and I don't want to just keep prolonging this video, because it's been, like I said, over a week since I was supposed to do this. So I'm gonna just do the best that I can with everything that we have right now. So yeah, I'm about to get started on these box springs, you guys. Wait, don't come in there. Just put your stuff in there. Get your dirty clothes. Just turn this part like this. Put this. Do Do you think you could pull this part? There we go. Okay. Whew. That was a fight. And then like this here. Put it up there. Now y'all got a bed. See? This is how it's supposed to look and not like this. Okay guys, so I am going to reveal to you guys the room, and like I said, this room is not fully done because I still need to put up their curtains. Also, I need to fix their LED lights, and then I want to get pictures for their wall so it's not so bare. But I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like. It's giving something. So here is the girls' room so far. So I definitely will be updating you guys once I get the extra stuff. Like I said, I'll throw it in just a random vlog whenever I'm vlogging, just to make sure that, you know, I update you guys so you guys can see. But for the most part, I love it. I know that the girls definitely are gonna love and appreciate it. And the next stop is my room, and then we got the living room. And I'm gonna get the bathroom together, you guys. So it's one step at a time. It's a process. I'm not in a rush for anything. I'm super excited. Also, big shout out to my hubby who put everything together. How do you feel about the girls' room?
It's dope. I can't lie. Your vision all came to life. It was a good idea.
And you
I just built stuff, y'all. She the one with the vision.
Okay.
I just built it.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do not forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, peace.